Back again with Dennis Vetrano and Behind the Law. Good to see you, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
Last time we got together, we were talking about millennials buying a home, and sometimes the old advice now is not the best advice.
Yeah, and it's funny because this is something I've said for many, many years now. I know even growing up, my mother would clip coupons, and we wouldn't go to the front of the store when you bought sneakers, for soccer or whatever. You'd go to the discount rack in the back, always. And the overarching principle there was frugality, to try to keep your expenses as low as possible. But now, with the crushing cost of living and housing prices going up, and what they were saying in this Wall Street Journal article, that was the basis for the story, was, what they were saying in the Wall Street Journal article is housing prices are going up faster than inflation on average by a substantial amount. So, your cost of living is going up, your housing is going up, your student loan debt is now crushing, which most people have. How do you get ahead? And it's not, and my philosophy has always been, look, if you clip coupons, you don't buy the Starbucks coffee, you buy a fuel-efficient car, you don't live extravagantly, how much does that save you a year? I mean, do the math. Make it a math problem, please. $5,000? $10,000 a year, maybe? But if you were to change your profession, or work more hours at the job you have, or look for that promotion, or go back to school and get a degree, you might be able to increase your income, not $5,000 or $10,000 a year, maybe 20, maybe 50, maybe 100. So my philosophy has always been, try to live below your means, absolutely. But the big picture is to increase your ability to make money. Look at what you do as not a job, but a profession. You are a business of yourself, and try to make as much money as you can so that you can get to not saving $5, not saving 10 grand, but maybe making 10, 20, 50 more $1,000 a year because you work harder and just do better.
Good advice, as always, from Dennis. To find out more about Dennis and his firm, please visit that website.
drvetranolaw.com.
Dennis, it's always good advice. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe.